अपनी फिटनेस के लिए एक छोटा सा स्टेप, सब्सक्राइब करते हुए बेल आइकन दबाना मत भूलिएगा।
Scissors. Alright, so I'll just show you this move. Alright, your hands needs to be right next to your hips. You go back 45 degrees. Alright, and you don't have to push it like this. Alright, relax your shoulders. Relax your shoulders, legs up. Point it out and you do the scissors like this. Alright, this is the form you want to continue. Chest always up, chin up. Alright, हमें ऊपर देखना है, नीचे नहीं देखना है, chin chest को नहीं करना चाहिए. Don't push too much. Chest up, push, push. Keep breathing guys. Keep breathing. Deep breaths, deep breaths. Inhale and exhale. Supply oxygen to the go. You are a powerful girl. Show the power. Your scissors, crisscross. Your muscles are all engaged. If you take frequent breaks, you have to again do the work and get your muscles engaged. Come on. All you people right there. Push. You're almost there. Yeah, come on. Keep pushing. Sprints. यहाँ से हमें रुकना नहीं है. We have to sprint. This is what we mean, right? So floor sprint is a simple exercise, but very effective for abs. Alright? So this is what you need to do, right? I'm putting 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Keep on counting. And mind you, if you try and go fast, no problem. You can go slow. Take a break, keep going. What's the count? 54, 55, 56. Come on, keep going, boy. You're doing great. Come on, Nikhil. Come on. How is the burn?
Oh yes, I'm feeling it.
Come on, push. Heel tap, okay? Chest up. And tap your heel. Alright? Tap your heel, count till 100. You can count till 100. And if you want to take a break, you can take a break, but write it down on a piece of paper so that you can beat that score. It is you versus you. Keep going. This is all about the abs. You're working on your lower abs. Keep breathing. Let's do it. Come on.
अगर आपको ये वर्कआउट सीरीज पसंद आ रही है तो कमेंट करें और अपने व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे अपने फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली के साथ में शेयर करें. टिल देन, स्टे होम, स्टे फिट. सी यू सून.